5 to 7 p.m. We've got Tweaked, I've got I can't wait to share with you all the goodies coming out. So join me tomorrow, 5 o'clock, special edition, limited quantities. We'll be talking about hair, we're going to be talking about skin, we might be talking about teeth, we might be talking about concealers. So stick around because we've got a lot to look forward to with our special edition beauty report, ladies. And don't forget to join the conversation. Laura Baker, I forgot to ask you, what is your adult beverage of choice?
Oh, lychee martinis these days.
Ooh.
They're yummy.
Okay, don't forget, share with us on HSN's Facebook page using hashtag giveaway for your chance to win a $25 HSN gift card just by joining the conversation of what is your favorite adult beverage. Okay, we're moving on. Gosh, this is going so fast. Okay, how many of us are saying, you know what? It's not just my neck that's the problem, Amy. It's my whole chest. It's everything. Well, I'm going to share with you one of the best kept secrets from world-renowned facial reconstructive plastic surgeon, Dr. Paul Nassif, who only sells his products in his very busy Beverly Hills practice or here at HSN. This is not just doctor strength. Let's just start there. We're talking about, are you ready for this? Plastic surgery strength. This is something developed, tested, and loved by Dr. Nassif's patients in Beverly Hills, as well as Dr. Loved and trusted by Dr. Paul Nassif. So what you're looking at here is the Deco Neck Firming Complex Serum, as well as the Neck and Décolleté Advanced Serum. So you're like, why do I need two of these? First of all, the Deco Firming Lift is going to firm, tighten, and exfoliate. We also have the age-defying neck treatment that's going to smooth, soften, hydrate, and plump. They go hand in hand. Each one of these, just so you know, is $62 a piece. You're getting both for $49.99. I think we have about 1,500 of these left, and that's it. World-renowned facial plastic surgeon is joining us, Dr. Paul Nassif, and this duo, we need this, Dr. Nassif, because we need to lift and tighten and exfoliate, but we need to smooth, plump, and hydrate. So you combine them together so we get the best of both worlds. How are you?
I'm doing fantastic, Amy. You know, especially right now what's happening is I grab my phone here. You get this. You get the good old tech neck. And tech neck, you know, you're looking down, you start seeing these wrinkles. And I will tell everyone, right now what's happening, we have an explosion of especially some of the weight loss drugs. Patients are getting a lot of loose skin. They come in for a facelift, they come in for a neck lift. But guess what happens? My scalpel, being a facial plastic surgeon, cannot help the fine lines and wrinkles, the texture, the tone, none of the appearance of the skin. And what's great about this combo, this is going to do it for you all. And you can use this twice a day. And obviously, as you mentioned, these are clinical grade ingredients, all science-based. And when we show you some of the assets through this sale, we're going to even show you some of the clinical the clinical studies that we performed in regards to hydration and the improvement after 4 weeks. So this is something for everyone. Remember, you can start this in your 30s. Men and women alike, all genders, all skin types. And when you look at these befores and afters, listen, these patients aren't even that young. So if I can do that to these patients starting at whether it's their 60s, 70s, and again, it's almost like the skin on the neck really doesn't great heal. So we have to be very careful when we treat that in the surgeon's office. So my goal is to bring you the best peptides, and by the way, we have the peptide affinity complex, so with the age-defying neck and décolleté. You know what's great about that, Amy? You're also getting an immediate and temporary lift.
Yes.
So you're getting that. So you combine these two, and you are getting the ultimate in treatment for your neck and your décolleté, because this skin is very, very sensitive and very thin. This is going to transform it.
Okay, I just want to let everybody know, this will give you results. In fact, 90% said it was more lifted, firmer. 93% said it was tighter. So again, we're talking about a 1-2 system. You use this morning and night. This is plastic surgeon developed this. And you've got clinical grade ingredients at their maximum levels to deliver results that will exceed your expectations. I want to start off here by the age-defying serum right here. You want to use this first. So once you apply this, again, ladies, it feels different. It's going into the skin. It's soft. It's not tacky. It's not greasy. You're going to apply that first. This is going going into the skin. This is where the tightening and everything's starting. Then you're going to smooth, hydrate, and plump. So this is also going to help tighten and lift that area. When we look at those before and afters,
you know
doctor,
what? Go ahead. Let's do that.
Yeah, you can't just hydrate the skin. You need two separate products, because one is going into the skin, tightening everything underneath the skin. This is pumping and hydrating everything out. So you need two separate kind of products to do that one job, because you can't do that. You can't address the skin with a neck lift, right?
You can't at all. So when I'm having these patients, matter of fact, I did a young lady this week, and when we look at the neck and the crepey skin too, it's extremely dehydrated. So what's great about this, you're really hitting everything. This is the ultimate. This is the grand slam for your neck, especially if you look at this before and after. What I'm going to do is talk you through this. These wrinkles, these vertical wrinkles, is crepey skin, and the texture is off because she's in her 70s. A lot of damage, a lot of sun damage. We see the improvement only after 1 month, 2 times a day. Imagine, and by the way, Amy, I don't know if this is on auto ship because of the incredible value.
Nope.
But if it is, you have to seal it. Oh, okay, well then there we go.
No
But
auto
if you
ship.
look, now, let me tell you what you're looking at, the one application. So remember the peptide affinity complex. That is giving you that immediate and temporary lifting and tightening. So you put this on, you're going to an event, you're going to see a beautiful benefit of tightening, helping with the skin tone, texture, and actually firming the skin and fine lines and wrinkles. But then you have the long-term effects of all that being improved. And by the way, one last very important point. These before and afters you're looking at now are only one of the products. It's the age-defying neck and décolleté treatment serum. That's in the taller bottle. Now, when we compare this, you're also going to see some before and afters of our neck and décolleté treatment. And so when we combine these, you have the ultimate before and after.
Oh, you do. So again, we were just sharing with you this one product. We're gonna add the second part. Now, this is something you take down your neck, but also down your décolleté. This is more of a cream consistency. So doctor, that's a deep before and after of lines and wrinkles. You cannot just put a moisturizer on it. You need something that's getting within the skin to plump it out. Look at that.
Well, this is now the décolleté right in between the breastbone. And you can see this is after about 4 weeks. You can see the actual transformation of the skin. I mean, you know it's the same skin. You can see the little brown spots. Now look at here. Look at the lifting, the tightening. Looking at that wrinkle, which has been there for 68 years. Well, actually, she's 68 years young. You see the improvement. So everyone out there, you might have a problem with your décolleté and or your neck. You have at least one of them. Let me help you as a facial plastic surgeon, knowing the skin from the inside out, with the best, okay, chemical grade, raw materials that are science-based. Everything I do for you is science-based. And last but not least, you're not going to get that value.
No.
Look at that value that Amy has.
No, and I just have to stress, these are $62 a piece. This is $62, this is $62. You're getting both for $49.99. So again, it's not only, again, we all are in that tech neck epidemic right now, right? We're doing that. Our necks are aging so much faster. Dr. Paul Nassif has been doing neck lifts and face lifts and all, and there's only so much you can do underneath the skin. You also have to treat the skin itself. So if you're noticing deep lines and wrinkles, folds, your skin is hanging down, this is the set for you. One is lifting and firming and tightening. The other one is smoothing and hydrating and plumping. And speaking of plumping, Doctor, I had to share this. All of you, maybe you don't know, I have been in love